Hello, today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to get reality, above ground and endless space in the backrooms with guns. So the first thing we're going to start with is to find the place where it says freedom. You can speed it up a little bit. Editor. Yeah. Here it is, freedom. Now you need to go get inside and get the key. It's scattered somewhere in the map. I don't know. It's not. It could be scattered around the map, but I think it will be in one place. Oh, that's a nuke. Oh, dang it. Anyway, get inside here. I found it somewhere. I think I found it somewhere. Where? Here. Here I found the key. Now you need to get outside. Now you need to find the weapon shop, which is you can follow me. There, the weapon. Here, oh, it is here. You should here to walk. Here it is. Then you're going to find. Now you're going to get up there. The key is temporary, so if you don't find it, then it will disappear immediately after you leave, so it will not be permanent. Now you're going to get inside here. Oh yeah, someone has destroyed the stabilizer with a monster, I think, or not. Then you get teleported to endless. Ruin the fun. Oh yeah, and the monster escaped because someone just chose to open the door. And we're going to wait until the stability has gone to 100%. Then you will get teleported to above ground. Now it's on at 100%. Okay, now we are above ground. You should probably get the bait when you teleport or when you spawn. Here you can probably just chill with others. And they recently added a football station. Jesus. And this is it. Yeah, got above ground. There's a chance when you release the entity, you can get to endless. So we're going to try and get that. Okay, so now we are in reality. Just spawn in. Someone found the key already. There should be one key for every level. Okay, there it comes. It does not chase you, by the way. Now it's broken beyond repair. It's getting more damage and getting more damage. If you If it continues and get to 100%, then you get teleported to a space. Now it's broken beyond repair. But endless. You should go to that bright thing, bright star, and then you get the endless beach. Freedom. Anyways, I hope it was it. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.